Ah, back, Secretariat. Kayo na magbasa nito. Pangit ng mga, hindi ko mabasa.
Good morning, Mr. Chair.
Wala pa naman sila. So, bid opening. So, tatlo ang ating kasali. Yung dalawa. Nag-test na ba kayo? Attorney,
Attorney Ted.
Ted, nag-test na kayo para sa NBank?
Sa 16.
18.
Sa Sabado.
May 18 ang NBank. Nag-test na ba kayo ng microphone? 18 merong NBank, di ba?
Sa Friday.
Sa Friday kayo mag-test. O, sige. Lagyan mo ng dalawang microphone para kung sumablay yung isa. Lagyan mo si Justice, si PJ Liban at saka si Justice Sanpet. Tigda dalawa. Sige. 1:30 sa May 18 ang hearing. Although merong motion for postponement. Hindi ko alam kung action. Emba. Okay, so bakit na. So for today's proceeding, we invited Mr. Ruben Pascual as observer, Secretary General, Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Mr. Gerardo Pancho, President, Philippine Constructors Association Incorporated, also as observer, and Ms. Diana G. Oldan, Field Auditor ng COA, represented by Cherubin. Si Bim. Thank you for coming. Yung dalawa, wala naman. We have 3 bidders who submitted their respective bids. No? Yung dalawa, former bidders na yun, nung nag-fail tayo. So, isa lang ang bago. Yung naunang nag-submit, 905. Papatayin na daw ang aircon pag uwi ni Engineer Paul.
3:30.
Sir,
4:30 ka daw mo. 3:30.
4:30.
Ha?
Mukhang pauwi na ako ng
Meron na?
4:30.
Sino kasama? Alphabetical kasi.
Yes po. 21 ko siya.
Oo nga. Good luck.
dati 7 na din. 7 more position for 4 station, di ba? May 24.
Tapos sa isa lang yon, hindi sa dalawa.
Parang isang post lang po. Kasi yung kay PJ, iniwan po niya. Hindi pa tapos yung deliberation.
Hindi pa. So,
Kay Justice Manara,
nag-apply uli sila.
nag-apply po ulit. And then schedule po ulit.
For the record, we have the receipts of Al Hayat Construction for 10,000. Also for J. Turkiel Builders for 10,000 also, and Gamma A Builders for 10,000 also paid. Si Gamma ang brand nyo. Ah, yung kay Attorney Wang ba, 5 toner din? Isa rin din yun. Isa rin din yun. Sobrang mga aircon nyo
Ang freezer na yun. Pagkata po, sir.
Pialan.
Mm. Mm-mm.
Boss.
Okay,
Mr.
Attorney
Chair,
Che.
I would like to acknowledge the presence of Engineer Alan C. Arquelio, representative of Governing Builders. Sino po si Engineer Arquelio? And then, Attorney Engineer Bernabe Arquelio or Bernadette? Gertrude Arquelio from Gamma A Builders.
Saan ang office nyo? Office nyo, saan? Sa Pasay? Okay.
We would like to acknowledge also the presence of Mr. Edgar C. Atiga from Al Hayat Construction and also Mr. DJ Pascual from GTPL Builders.
Okay, thank you for participating in today's submission of bids and opening of bids. Okay, so we ask you to submit 2 envelopes, di ba, in 1 big envelope. So financial, technical eligibility yung isang envelope and then financial yung component yung pangalawa. I-open muna natin yung technical and legal component, no? So pagka everyone passed, that's the time na i-open natin yung second envelope. Kung sino ang hindi makapasa doon, eh hindi na i-open yung second envelope kasi disqualified na. So malinaw naman, no, ang rules natin. Yung sa Gamma A, kasi kayo ang bago, yung dalawa participated before, no? So pag nandun yung document, we will call it as passed. Pero kung sino man yung lowest bid na masubmit, ano, does not mean na sila na ang panalo. Kasi isa-subject pa natin yung bid nyo sa detailed bid evaluation in accordance with the implementing rules, no, and the law. Okay? May questions? Wala. Si J. Turkiel. Nan. Si Al Hayat. Gamma A. So, we can proceed. Kasabay nyo naman nag-travel yung bid box namin, ano? From building 1 to here. So, are you confirming now the integrity of the bid submitted? Walang nangyari, di ba? Okay, everyone? Gamma A? Okay, sige. Let's proceed, no, sa bid opening. Ang unang nag-submit is Gamma A Builders at 9:05 a.m. Let's open yung kanyang technical and legal component. Si Engineer Paul, mag-open. Engineer? Ikaw?
Yes. Totally.
Pag-uwi mo, patayin na.
For 30, uwi ako. Tanggalin ko muna yung tape.
Patay ko na yung item mo. Patay ko.
Upon opening the big envelope, it contains two sealed envelopes, namely the technical component and the other one, the financial component. We are setting aside the financial component. And um, with your approval, Chair, for the opening of the Thank you. Financial. Dikit na dikit. Back Secretariat requesting for sharp knife next time. Okay. Inside the technical component envelope, we have the technical component copy 1 and technical component original. Copy 1 will be given to the back secretariat. Opening the technical component original envelope. First, we have the Class A documents. Under legal document is the valid and updated field jobs registration certificate.
Ano tayo, pass-fail, ano? Criterion. So, pag nandyan, we will call it as pass. And also to remind everyone, naka-live stream po tayo sa
YouTube.
sa
Sa
YouTube.
YouTube po, sa part of tax appeals YouTube account.
Okay. Okay.
So here we have the certificate of field jobs registration from Gama Builders. Attached with the certification is the list of eligibility documents for DTI certificate, mayor's tax clearance, audited financial statement, pickup license. The document is present, Chair. So we'll commit it pass.
Pass. Any objections from the back? None? Okay, pass.
Next
For
is the
Gama.
Next is the statement of the prospective bidders of all its ongoing government and private contracts. Ongoing. I'm looking for the ongoing projects. Letter D.
Yes.
For the statement of all ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started, Gama submitted the copy signed by Attorney Engineer Gertrude G. Arcadia for the box approval of the pass or fail criteria. We recommend for the pass.
Any objections? Hearing none, pass.
Yes. Next, we're going to see the SLCC, or the single largest completed contract of the bidder, found in tab P. So we have the document for the statement of SLCC signed by Attorney Engineer Gertrude G. Arcadio. The TWG recommends for the pass criterion for the approval of the back.
Objections? None, pass.
Next, we move to the original copy of the bid security, if in the form of bid securing declaration found in letter found in tab E. There we have the bid securing declaration with the notary public of Attorney Henry D. Adasa. It is in the form of bid securing declaration for project identification number CTA BAC 2026-04. The document is present, recommending for the approval of the document, Your Honor.
Bid securing, any objections? None, pass.
Thank you. For letter E, the conformity with the schedule of requirements. Schedule of requirements.
Page 66.
Page 66.
Yeah, right after the text text. Right after page 80.
Thank you, JR. After the text. Section 6, schedule of requirements submitted by Gamma A Builder, signed by Engineer Gertrude G. Arquillo, dated May 8, 2026. The group recommends for the approval of the document as passed.
Any objections? None, pass.
Thank you. Next, letter F. The original duly signed omnibus zone statement, or the OSS. Found in tab G, the omnibus.
Baka na-mislead po. Siya po parang dalawa ate item sa letter E. It's schedule of requirements and conformity with the technical specification.
I see. Sorry, sir. For the conformity of the technical specification. Okay, technical specification documents starting from item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, item 5. Item 6, signed by Attorney Engineer Gertrude G. Arquillo, dated May 8, 2026. Every item has compliance. Yes. So the group recommends for the approval of the presence of the document under technical specifications.
So for the two submissions,
Terms of reference, if you want.
terms of reference.
Okay, the next is terms of reference.
After which one ito mo annex A,
Pero wala dito sa ano natin.
page 75.
75. For the terms of reference as Annex A, we have terms of payment. This is
Pareho lang. Pareho lang may dagdag.
Since we're requiring the original document, Your Honors, we found that the signature of the document is not original. It is more of photocopied part of the document. So we recommend that the document is not original for not seems like it is not it has not submitted the required document. Hence, we recommend for the failure of the submission of the original document.
Let us hear from Gamaa. Attorney, can you please check?
For the document that the attorney.
Engineer po, just para lang sa awareness ng lahat, ang issue yung sa original and photocopy.
Yes, the original copy is not original because it seems the signature is photocopy
Okay. Ito yung sa technical specifications.
under
or
the terms of reference. The copy one, I won't expect that the signature is original because it is copy. And it's nagkaroon ng mismatch. Attorney Che, may fight ba na dyan yung original design? Ang nagpapalit lang. Sige. Ako pag original conviction, kasi kami sa isang So same thing with other documents that we have previously.
Ano?
They are yes, sir, yes, sir.
Puro siya photocopy.
Photocopy.
Walang original.
I'll go back, Your Honor, once the original document returns.
Doon sa copy 1.
May mga original na mga
Mr. Chair, if I may, direct everyone's attention to Omnibus Sworn Statement in Annex G. It says here that we undertake that each of the documents submitted in satisfaction of the bidding requirements is an authentic copy of the original. And this indicates also my wet signature on each and every page of the omnibus sworn statement. And also in coordination, in support of that, under our sworn statement of unconditional compliance, it incorporates by reference the POR in question, that after a careful and thorough review of the bidding documents, including technical specifications and terms of reference, we Gamma Builders affirm its full, complete, and unconditional compliance with the regulations. Also with my wet
So-
signature.
Attorney, do you admit that the terms of reference is not originally signed?
Yes, sir, Chair. However,
Okay.
yes.
Al Hayat, do you have any objection to the submission of the documents that are not originally signed?
Yes, sir.
Si J. Turkia. Kasi, itong dalawa nag-attend ng pre-bid conference, no? And you did not. And we know that for a fact kasi wala kayo doon. Nag-attend si Al Hayat, itong most recent, si ano naman, yung naunang bidding. Okay, so, sa TWG, ano recommendations niyo?
Seems the original is seems the submitted document is not sorry. Yes, sir. Since the original copies in the technical components of the bidder is not signed originally, hence it is considered a failure to provide the original copy. Hence, the group recommends for the disqualification of the bidder. Sorry.
Sir Chair, if I may, yeah. In item number 4 of the omnibus sworn statement, this is a document that is notarized, which means it's accorded the status of a public document, and we have actually essentially this document subsumes na even if there's an e-sig indicated there, we guarantee that all of the documents we submitted is an authentic copy of the original. And I'm also the signatory there, so I can also attest to that fact here, Sir Chair.
Yes, but there are objections from the other bidders. Okay, so you know your remedy, diba? Just in case, I will ask the back to vote on the document that you submitted. Attorney Wang?
Yes, while we take note of your comments and contentions here, Attorney Engineer. However, perusal of the bidding documents requires original and a photocopy. While true, it is stated in the OSS that we certify that the documents submitted are original, pero tama ba, Attorney Chen, na it's a standard format, di ba? Kumbaga it's a templated form.
Attorney Wang, parang ang meron pong ang hindi ko na sign ng original is the terms of reference, right?
Yes, what she's preparing kasi that
Sa
sa
OSS.
OSS, they guarantee that everything is authentic. Am I right na dun sa OSS, it's a standard template. So, it applies to all as long as you sign it. It being notarized and converted into a public document does not remove the fact that we require an original and a photocopy in the bidding documents. That having been said, I submit to the recommendation that the TWG, but ino-note namin yung inyong contentions. Thank you.
Mr. Chair.
Okay, Attorney Cliff.
Before we proceed, can we pinpoint specifically yung provision requiring them to submit the original? Just to be clear.
Sir Chair, one last note if I may. Can we put on record that we are discussing presence or absence firstly and differ any deliberation on the signature in question?
It's present, but it's not original.
Yes,
We take note. We take note of your manifestation.
thank you, sir.
So the basis would be
17.1 of the leadership,
So,
attorney.
so
Please read 17.1.
Each bidder shall submit one original and one photocopy of the first and second components of its.
Sige. Si Attorney Wang,
Yes, sir.
again, please your vote.
I agree with the recommendation of the DWG, noting your contentions of the engineer. So during the bid evaluation, we'll have a better explanation and ruling on the matter. But for now, I submit to the recommendation of the DWG.
Attorney Joanne,
Same po, sir.
Attorney Chante,
Since we require an original document, also requires an original signature on the said document. So since there's no original signature, I think there's an absence. So I submit also to the recommendation of the DWG. Thank you.
clear mo na lang. Director LC,
Yes, good morning, same. Any observations? Same vote, Chair.
Attorney Masagoy,
Same vote. Zero.
Attorney Toralba,
sir, I vote the same. Mr. Chair, pero however, Attorney Richard pointed out that there will be, or impliedly said, that there will be a detailed feasible base.
Yes, the following.
However, the question is, how do we proceed from here? If we already find that.
the detailed build evaluation would only apply to those who passed the technical and financial components.
Yes, sir. What I mean to say is that in the bid evaluation report, they will explain further the reason why we will not proceed with the continuation of the bid opening of the for Gamma A. So in the report, since they will provide the reason why Gamma A will be disqualified, I assume that they will have an explanation and basis as to why they disqualified us.
Will the secretariat include that in the bid evaluation, or that is it the PWG?
The WG chair.
Engineer Paul,
Yes, I will submit.
I have 6 votes declaring your bid as a failure. No, so we can no longer proceed with checking and inspecting the other documents. Anyway, I know you know your remedy, Attorney Che, filing of
The protest mechanism po, filing of a motion for reconsideration from the decision of the bank is within 3 days from notice. Mr. Chair, would you like to state?
we are formally notifying you verbally.
Sir, if I may, sir, I'm moving to declare a failure of bidding due to failure to follow the non-discretionary pass or fail criterion as to the absence or presence of the documents. The signature in question,
Okay,
inquires into the contents of
we
the
note your
document.
motion,
Yes, sir.
but we will continue with the bidding. You file your motion for reconsideration, please. No, Attorney Wang.
Yes, sir. And in addition to that, while we agree that we hold the past fail criteria, if it's obviously it's photocopy, I don't see the logic in accepting it. Even though having the past fail criteria is limited to the presence or absence of documents, but whether the document itself Please, can we see like
Attorney Wong, I will refer you to section 59.1 of the preliminary examination of bids. The last paragraph po. In this regard, bids that fail to include any requirement or incomplete or patently insufficient shall be considered as failed. Otherwise, the bank shall rate the first bid envelope as passed.
So it does not mean that mere presence of a document will sufficiently constitute as passed. Kasi there are other qualifications there that dapat includes that are complete, if not patent insufficient.
Okay, so we have section 83. You are not without remedy. Section 83, decisions of the back in all stages of procurement may be protested to the home, provided that a prior request for reconsideration should have been filed by the party concerned to the back, and the same has been resolved. The bidder may file a request for reconsideration to the back within 3 calendar days upon receipt of written notice or verbal notification of the back's decision. The back shall decide on the request for reconsideration within 7 calendar days from receipt thereof. The bidder shall not be allowed to submit additional documents to correct any defects in the bid submitted. Okay? So you can file your motion for reconsideration within 3 days from today, because we are formally, verbally notifying you that your bid submission was rated as failed, and we will no longer proceed with the opening of the second envelope and the rest of the documents in the first envelope. Okay, attorney? Okay, sige po. Sige po. We open the second envelope submitted. Please check kung the signatures are original.
Yes, Chair.
Engineer po.
Yes, Chair.
That is for Al Hayat
Yes.
Construction.
The envelope is from Al Hayat Construction. We open the big envelope containing 2 envelopes inside. One is a photocopy, and the other one is the original. Talas din. Ilang bits na kaya ang nagdaan? Inside the original envelope, we have 2 folders. The one is the technical component and the other one is the financial component. Okay, simple. Chair, with your approval for the opening of the technical component.
Please proceed.
Thank you. We're going to open the document for the Class A document under legal documents. Letter A, valid and updated field checks. We have a Platinum Membership Certificate of Field Checks registration from Al Hayat Construction. Attached herewith is the list of eligibility documents as Annex A. For the approval of the back, we recommend for the passing of the document.
Ilang pages yan?
We have 3 pages, Your Honor.
On the back, do you have any objections? Hearing none, pass.
Thank you. Next is for the statement of the prospective bidder of all its ongoing government and private contracts.
Tab 4.
Tab 4. Under tab 4, we have ongoing contracts.
Sa likod. Yung signature.
Yes, we have an authentic copy of the statement of ongoing
Original.
contracts. Original,
So,
sir.
signature original.
The signature is original. The group recommends for the passing of the document for the statement of ongoing contracts.
Attorney Wang, would you like to see if it's original?
Yes,
Original.
Okay, so
seems like it, sir.
is it original?
I compared the statement of ongoing contracts with that
Yes.
OSS well, I mean, the one which has a type C.
You may dry seal po yun.
And the signature appears to be the same.
Yes po.
Even yung pagkakaano ng ink.
PWG recommends that the document be rated pass. Objections from the back. None? Okay, pass.
Thank you. Moving on, we have the statement of the bidders SLCC. Ito mali. We have the statement of single largest completed contract similar to the contract to be bid signed by Mr. Edgar C. Atiga. The group recommends for the rating as pass of the document.
Original signature.
Original signature, sir.
Objections from the back. Okay, pass.
Thank you. Next, we move to the original copy of bid security. Tab 6. Thank you. The bidder submitted the bid security in the form of bid securing declaration, originally signed by Mr. Edgar C. Atiga with the Notary Public of Attorney Ruben M. Azanes Jr., which is original also. The group recommends for the pass rating of the document.
Bid securing declaration yan.
Yes.
Objections from the back? None? Passed? Oh, next we have 3 documents.
Next is the conformity with the schedule of requirements under letter E.
And then conformity with technical specifications and
Yes.
terms of reference.
Ngayon ko lang po muna yung schedule of requirements.
Top set.
Top 7. Oh, wala ka pa. Under after.
Yeah.
Ito na. Yeah. Originally signed is a schedule of requirements for 70 calendar days, signed by Mr. Edgar C. Atiga. The DWG recommends for the rating as pass of the document.
The other 2 documents.
That
is
for
it-
yes,
This is the original, the signature.
the original signature of the schedule of
For
requirements
number 1, conformity,
for the number 1
schedule of requirements.
Okay.
Number 2
Number
document,
2 is the technical specifications, having item number 1 complied, item number 2 complied, number 3 complied, number 4 complied. Item number 5 is there, item number 6 is there. Originally signed by Engineer Edgar C. Atiga. So we move
Sir
to the
Chair, if I may. I would just like to put on record the non-compliance of this document to the directive in the first paragraph of the technical specifications that is specifically requiring proper cross-referencing of the annexes or brochures. Here, they made a general statement and they did not comply per item or claim as required.
per reply.
other with your honor.
Wait. Can we hear from Engineer Atiga?
In the first place po, is their bid still failed? Are they still as to say as we proceed in this session?
Attorney Taralba?
The public is allowed to view, including,
However, can they,
but they cannot participate.
So in his case, in her case, she was disqualified.
She can view and still check if the bid opening is fair and transparent, but
Comments.
Pero ano lang naman siya, manifestation lang niya.
does she have a personality to question? Kasi from her statement, it is as if she is questioning the document there. So how do we, basically the question of Al-Hayat is whether Gamma, the counsel for Gamma, has a personality to object to the admission or to the whether to qualify Al-Hayat. So let's determine first whether she has a personality before we address the issue.
Mr. Chair, this is the bid opening, so what we primarily determine is pass or fail criterion from the document submitted of the bidder. So any questions from third person should not be entertained because primarily we are just checking if the submitted documents is pass or fail.
Your Honor, if I may, by the same argument earlier raised against Gamma Builders, I was actually pointing out that the signature is a content dispute, whereas in this particular document, they're using the same argument in reverse. So in my view, there is an absence of the document because it's not compliant with the very first paragraph requiring each and every claim to have a specific cross-reference to the specific brochure.
Gertrude.
Attorney Artilio,
Yes, sir.
can you point to us any provision in the law where we are required to recognize your manifestation or objection?
Actually, sir, I would like to also ask, engineer from, Al Hayat if, he has any basis in law to, disqualify any of my statements today.
No, before we go there, let's establish first whether you have a personality to question the document that we are looking at. So that can be provide us a basis for which we would recognize your objection.
Sir, as of now, I think, we have manifested that we will be, using, our remedies, our proper remedy of, MR, and to, disqualify us from making any comments today would be detrimental to our position, and, unless there is a law stating that we cannot, participate herein, this would, be hugely, stripping us of our rights to object, later on in the MR should any other, grounds arise, during this bidding, activity.
So your answer to that question is you cannot pinpoint any specific provision of law, but you're arguing that it will be detrimental to your company.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. As of now, I don't have it, but, I may provide it later on in the MR, sir.
However, you're requiring us to already address your question or your objection, and we have not still established your personality to question them. So I think before we go there, let's first establish whether you have a personality here to question the admission of the document or not. Let's research muna. Natin kung meron kayong personality, pursuant to law.
We will proceed, no? Anyway, you haven't filed your MR. So we will proceed. Engineer Paul,
Yes, sir. Next, we're going to check for the terms of reference.
May asawa lang po. Question for my part. Pwede pong ma-review again yung bid security declaration lang po.
Nino,
Ni ano po? Ni Alhayat.
Alhayat,
Yes po. Titignan, I think may nakita lang po akong part na baka hindi mo lang to verify lang po if the ano po, yung paragraph po ay kumpleto po.
So I think Mr. Chair, we need to address the issue of personality here.
again,
Because
again. Kasi we have already ruled, no? And rest assured, sa detailed bid evaluation, everything will be reviewed and carefully scrutinized. Di ba last time, ganun ang nangyari sa atin. So, back members, what is your opinion regarding the recall of the document?
Sir, if I may po.
Yes, kaya po.
For me, my vote would be not to allow it. Because first, this is only bid opening, pass-fail criterion, and to go back to the previous documents of the bidder would I think be not in accordance with the purpose of today's proceedings.
Okay, attorney, yung gusto niyang ipa-recall yung document na bid securing declaration, di ba? So, attorney, hindi, ng Alhayat.
Ay, sorry sir, pinapalig ko yung BSD ng Gama,
Alhayat.
anong Alhayat.
I think we have already ruled regarding Gama, but however,
We're in the
Ate, iwan na pala,
text.
no? But, sir, for me, since it's already passed, let EWG do their job in evaluating it detailed
Okay.
after this bid opening, sir. So I don't see the necessity of recalling the previous document, sir.
Okay, Attorney Joanne,
No need to go back.
Attorney Chante,
Similarly, no need to go back because we have Googled it and a while ago they saw the documents and there was no objection. So why go back?
Director Elsie, Attorney King,
I concur with
Attorney Clifford.
For me, Mr. Chair, if I would vote on that, it is as if I'm recognizing the personality of the one who objected.
Hmm.
So I will not vote, sir.
Hmm?
Kasi pag nag-vote ako,
Hmm.
I'm recognizing the personality of the objector. And my stand is really, Kama has no personality, and why would I give personality to Chair Kiran here to object?
Okay,
Or
but
to
I have
even,
5, which is the majority for back. Okay, so we will rest assured that we will study everything in the submissions. Okay, so Engineer Paul,
Yes, sir. As we
Where
move
are
on,
we?
we are on the terms of reference of the bidder.
technical specifications.
The
tapos na.
specifications tapos na. Now for the terms of reference, every pages were initialed and the certification to comply and deliver all the above requirements were signed by Engineer Edgar C. Atiga. Hence, the group recommends for the rating as pass of the document. For the three, namely the conformity.
Pakita mo yung signature, hindi namin makita.
Sorry po.
Original ba?
Yeah, pa. So conformity with the schedule of requirements, conformity with the technical specifications, and conformity of the terms of reference documents.
Okay, back members. The PWG recommends pass for item letter E. Objections? Hearing none, pass.
Okay, next is the original duly signed omnibus on statement of assets. Item 8, thank you, JR. So the omnibus on statement is submitted by the bidder, Alayo. Having it notarized by Attorney Ruben Cazañas Jr., originally signed by Engineer Edgar C. Atiga. The TWG recommends for the rating as pass of the document.
Back members, objections? None, pass.
Okay. For the financial document, the NFCC. The NFCC of the bidder worth 777,883,000. Well, 777,883,605, which is above the ABC signed by Edgar C. Atiga. The TWG recommends for the rating as pass of the net financial contracting capacity of the
Is the
bidder.
signature original?
Yes, sir.
Back members, objections? Hearing none, pass.
Thank you. For the Class B document, if applicable, since it is sole proprietor, I guess. So the Class B document is not essential. Therefore, recommending for the opening of the financial document.
Not applicable. Back members, JBA, not applicable,
Yes.
pass.
Engineer po. Tab 5. Meron siya.
five.
Tab 5 and tab 9.
Joint venture agreement is not applicable.
Okay.
Fund 9.
Domestic
domestic
preference.
preference. For foreign bidder, certification from the relevant government office not applicable. Okay.
Okay. So we open the submission of Terkiel. Submitted at 9:52 a.m.
Happy Mother's Day. Okay, we're trying to open the bid of Miss J. Turkiel Builders from Baliwag, Bulacan. Inside the big envelope are the two envelopes, the technical component and the financial component. With the permission of the chair, opening of the technical component.
For the technical and legal component.
Technical components.
Proceed, please.
Inside the technical envelopes are copy 1, technical component, and the original technical component of J. Turkiel. Setting aside the giving the copy 1 to the secretary. For the first document, the legal document, the certificate of field jobs registration as platinum member from J. Turkiel. Attached herewith is the Annex A as the list of eligibility documents. The document is present, Chair, for your approval.
Back members, any objection? Hearing none, pass.
Thank you. For the statement of the prospective bidder of all its ongoing and ongoing government and private contracts. So the document is originally signed by Engineer DJ A. Pascual, dated May 11, 2026. The group recommends for the rating as pass of the document, Mr. Chair.
Original signature,
Originally signed.
objections from the back members? Hearing none, pass.
Thank you. Next is the SLCC, or the Statement of the Bidder's Single Largest Contract, Completed Contract. The document is present, signed by Mr. DJ Pascual, original signature attached. The group recommends for the passing of the document.
Back members, objections on the document? Hearing none, pass.
Thank you. Next is the original copy of the bid security. The bidder submitted the bid security in the form of bid security declaration. With a notary public from Attorney Roman V. Raya. Both signatories have signature dated May 6, 2026. The group recommends for the rating as pass of
Original signature,
yes, sir.
back members, objections? Hearing none, pass.
Thank you. Next is
Letter
the
E,
letter E. There are 3 items here: conformity with the schedule of requirements, conformity with the technical specifications, and with the terms of reference. For the technical specifications, item 1 is present. Item 2 is present. Item 3 is present. Item 4 is present. Item 5 is present. Lastly, item 6 is present, signed originally by Engineer DJ Pascual. For
number
the
2 document.
number 2 document is schedule of requirements. Schedule. Technical specification.
Sir Chair, if I may, of course, we defer to, your good office if you will, consider my manifestation or not, but, the same infirmity, lies with the technical specifications of J. Turkiel. Actually, two non-compliances. One is, no incorporation by reference of the specific annexes per claim or per item, and then also, no description on the rightmost cell for each and every, actually all of the claims indicated in this document.
Proceed.
Thank you. Ayun. Hindi ko may power to it.
No, we're gonna just screenshot. Pili ko lang mag-post tayo, boss.
Hindi. Fire houses.
Then the schedule. Schedule. Ano ba siya? Wala. Wala ko sa photo ka. Wala daw sa photo ka. Saka lang ba nalagay? Tira natin isa-isa.
It's a clearing declaration. Drawings na. Yes. Sure. Double check na. Double check, triple check. Mr. Chair, with the review of the technical working group, the submission of the schedule of requirement by J. Turkiel Builders is lacking. The technical working group hereby respectfully recommends for the disqualification of the bidder due to the said reason.
What is the reason?
The section 6, the schedule of requirements is missing. And it's not,
Schedule of requirements.
and it is not found in any of the two copies, the original and the photocopy or the copy one of the technical components.
Do we have a copy of the bidding docs? Can you please show?
Ayan po yung ito po.
Chair, we are flashing the schedule of requirement from the bidding.
So the bidders are supposed to submit that,
Yes, sir.
and it is not present
It's not present.
in both submissions. So your recommendation is
For the disqualification.
that the bids submitted by CTA Builders be disqualified because
Yes,
of the
because of
failure to include
the section
conformity with
schedule of
the
requirements.
schedule of requirements. Back members, your votes. Attorney Wang,
So perhaps we can ask the representative from JTER, can they confirm that they failed to submit or omitted to submit?
Yes, sir. I think we forgot to attach the said
schedule.
documents.
There is no copy in both submissions. Attorney Wang,
That having been said, sir, since there is already an admission, as correctly found by the technical working, I submit to the recommendations.
Attorney Joan, Attorney Chante,
Yes, sir. I also agree with that because there's the absence of the law.
Director Elsie, Attorney Tim Amasa Dorin,
I concur also.
Same as Attorney Richard.
Attorney Clifford. Okay, so we have a unanimous declaration from the back members that your bid submission will be rated failed. Okay, I'm sorry to those who have been rated failed. We open the second envelope of Al Hayat Construction.
Mr. Chair, I would like to manifest po na yung notice natin na they can use the
Okay, just like Gamaa builders, no, we are formally informing you of the failure of your submission, no. This is a verbal notification, and you have 3 days to file your motion for reconsideration if you want to. Anything else, Attorney Chair? Ay, hindi. Sinabi ko na.
Kasi sila lang nilagay. Yes po. Al Hayat siya. Ayan po. Pakita.
Si Al Hayat,
Yes.
ang financial component envelope ang bubuksan.
Yes, sir.
Yes po.
With the permission of the
Okay.
chair.
Please proceed.
Okay. For the original financial component of Al Hayat Construction, we are opening the folder containing bid form, which includes the bid price, the price schedule, and the certificate of domestic preference, but it's not applicable. Okay, so the bid form, the amount of 9,873,290 pesos only in words, for 9,873,290 pesos in figures. The bid form for project identification number CTA Block 2026-04 from Al Hayat Construction, originally signed by Engineer Edgar C. Atiga, with attached special power of attorney, together with IDs. The group respectfully recommends for the rating as pass of the said document,
Financial bid form.
which is the financial bid form.
Objection from the back?
None, sir, but can I perhaps see that?
The amount, Attorney Wang,
Yes, sir.
9,873,290 pesos. It is within the ABC.
Is within the ABC.
So, Attorney Wang,
Yes, sir.
No
No
vote?
objection here.
no objections for all of you. Attorney Clifford, no objection. Okay, pass.
Thank you. Moving on, we have the price schedule. There are 2 pages for the price schedule for goods, signed by Engineer Edgar C. Atiga. The signature appears to be original, dated April 29, 2026. Because of the presence of the document, the TWG respectfully recommends for the rating as pass of the said document.
Is the signature original
Original, Your Honor.
or the back members? Any objections? None. Attorney Cliff, none. Okay, pass.
Thank you. The last document is not applicable, which is a certificate of domestic preference, as they did not declare so. So therefore, we request for the detailed evaluation of the technical and financial component of Al Hayat Construction.
So, for letter K, no objection. Okay, pass. Okay, so the TWG will conduct a detailed bid evaluation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I would like to remind everyone, pursuant to 61.1, members of the back, its staff and personnel, secretariat, and TWG, as well as observers, are prohibited from making or accepting any communication with any bidder regarding the evaluation of their bids until the issuance of the notice of award. However, the back, through its secretariat, may ask the bidder in writing for clarification of its bid. All responses to requests for clarification shall be in writing. Okay, so ang ating dito is lowest calculated responsive bid, right?
Yes.
So LCB ang criteria. So as I have said, for those who would like to file their MR, you have 3 days from today. And any other matters that you would like to say, back members? None?
Yes, sir. But for our committee.
Okay, so we can excuse the bidders. That is the bid submitted by Al Hayat as read, no? Okay, it's within the ABC, but we still have to check everything, no? Pursuant to the detailed bid evaluation. Okay, so thank you for participating, and you have your remedies, so please utilize them. Thank you.